Hello and welcome to Justice in Shorts. Today we are diving into one of the most debated legal and ethical topics in the world. It's euthanasia. Should we have the right to choose our death, or is life too sacred to end intentionally? Let's explore the laws, arguments, and controversies surrounding euthanasia. Euthanasia is the act of intentionally ending someone's life to relieve pain or suffering. It's often called mercykilling. Euthanasia can be voluntary, where the person consents, or non voluntary, where the person cannot give a consent, like in cases of coma. But it always raises tough ethical and legal questions. Let's take a look at how different countries approach euthanasia. For example, in Netherlands and Belgium, they are among the first to legalize euthanasia under strict guidelines. In Canada, it allows under their medical assistance in dying. It's called MAID program. And in India, it permits passive euthanasia, but only after court's approval. Australia legalized in certain states like Victoria. However, countries like Pakistan and Nigeria completely ban euthanasia. Supporters of euthanasia argue that it provides dignity to people suffering from terminal illnesses. They believe everyone has a right to die as a part of their personal autonomy. It helps patients avoid prolonged pain and suffering. Families can avoid the emotional and financial burden of extended care. In short, it's seen as an act of compassion for the suffering. On the other hand, critics raise serious concerns about euthanasia. They argue that life is sacred and taking it intentionally is a moral wrong. There's a risk of misuse where vulnerable groups like the elderly might be pressurized into euthanasia. Doctors have a duty to save lives, not to end them. Finally, they suggest improving palliative care as an alternative to euthanasia. There are certain legal cases around euthanasia have shaped its perception worldwide. The first one is Aruna Shanbaug case in India in the year 2011. India allowed passive euthanasia after this case. Aruna was in a vegetative state for 42 years. The second one is Tony Nicklinson case in UK. Tony, a paralyzed man, requested euthanasia but was denied. This sparked a major debate in the UK. The next one is Dutch dementia case of 2016. A woman with dementia requested euthanasia, but her case highlighted the challenges of interpreting prior consent. So, it's like this. Religions play a big role in shaping euthanasia laws. Christianity, most denominations oppose euthanasia, viewing life as sacred. Islam strictly prohibits euthanasia, considering it as haram. Hinduism and Buddhism have mixed views but emphasize natural death over mercy-killing. Euthanasia continues to be a legal and moral battleground. While it offers dignity in death for the suffering, the risks of misuse and ethical dilemma make it complex. It's clear that this debate will continue, with the balance between compassion and caution shaping future laws. So, do you think euthanasia should be legalized globally? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Justice in Shorts, for more thought provoking legal insights like this. Thank you.